Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. You all are feeling safe. You all are having a good days, good week, good hours with your loved ones or with yourself. So today, like everyone else, I want to talk about the Ahmedabad plane crash tragedy that recently happened. And it's not like everyone is talking about that, and all the information that is collecting in the head. I just want to pour it out, like what I think about that, what what I feel about that. And I also want to know your opinion or your thoughts on this. If I'm wrong somewhere, or if you want to give your opinion on this topic, you are free to do that in the comment box. So I honestly, I don't have any idea, like from where should I start. Why was this happen? This why is unanswered for everyone. Is like you don't know. Life is too short. Life is too unpredictable to plan something. You you never know what's gonna happen. So I think what I consumed since then, the day that tragedy happened, the time that tragedy happened, after that, whatever I consumed from social media, whatever was there in my head, I just want to say about that. So we all are thinking that why was this happen? That day was like a curse. And for most of the people whose loved ones were there in the plane, the crew members and the travelers, passengers, and everyone, whoever they lost, first of all, we have sympathy for them, for their family members. What we can do is just we can show the sympathy to them. We can't make the people who have lost their lives, we can't make them stand, right? The only thing we can do is to be a human, and we can show some sympathy to them, and we all are doing this. But many people are thinking that, and like our old people, and not old, but some people who like who are taking this tragedy, of course it is a negative thing. Of course people lost their life and it is a negative thing, but we are asking ourselves, we are asking our family members that why was this happen, why was this happen, why. But deep down we are unaware of the fact that everything is planned. Every single thing is planned on this planet. If someone had to save, that person is saved. If someone had to lose, if someone has to lost their life, they had already. It is planned. It is not something that was human. Yes, it is a human error as well. It was something that was neglected by the people who sent that plane, that should not have to. But if they wanted, they could stop that. And if it was in their hands, the plane was maybe maybe saved to not crashed like this, but it was meant to be like this. It was meant to be a tragedy that everyone can see, that everyone can feel. Every second, now we are talking, every second there are thousands of people who are losing their life, and before this second, thousands of people have lost their life, and so many people are taking birth, they are coming to this world, so many people. But if their death was meant to be like this, it happened like this. It was not like if they had not in the plane, maybe they had died somewhere else, maybe someone met with an accident, or I don't want that, but maybe something happened to them and they had lost their life. But it turned out to be a tragedy that the whole world have seen. The whole world have seen this. The news is everywhere. And if we say, and if we think deeply about this, the why behind this, we would be able to understand that every tragedy or every natural tragedy, we can say, happens because God wants us to learn a lesson. God wants us to be more aware of our actions, but we sometimes so unaware of what we are doing that we do things that we should not. Every second in India, rape cases are happening. Somewhere with the girl who went to UP to pass her exam, or to give her exam. She was from Nepal. I don't exactly know her name, but I don't know, I saw this online news. Girls, small little girls who are playing, they are being raped. 40 plus ladies going home, they are being drunk. If someone is making them drunk, and they are being raped. Is it not something that we should think? I know it's so bad. It's so bad to live in the environment like this. It's so bad. You can't even go outside. Going outside is too far. You can't even think to. But the main thing what I have observed, that every person goes through different experiences, and we all have to make ourselves open for the experiences that God wants to give us. But if we come back to this topic of Ahmedabad, and if we talk about the learnings, what we have learned from this tragedy, the main thing we all have learned is like 2 sentences. Life is too unpredictable, and you cannot plan your tomorrow. You can't. You really can't. You can just live in now. Now is the only time. Yes, I think Many people, when they heard the news and something, most of them started to give more time to their families and people, the the ones they love the most. Yes, we should give some time. If you have loved ones, if you have partners or parents, or you have relationships like this with others where you want to put your energy, you should. But even if you are alone, even if you feel that no one is there for you, live your life. Live your life to the fullest. Don't rely on someone to come to your life and make it beautiful. Make your life beautiful by yourself. And most importantly, trust the process of God. Let your Creator decide what He wants to do with the life He has blessed you with. He cares about you more than you know. And He always chooses the best for you. So just give your life to Him and just live your life. Give all your worries, anxieties, tensions, negativities, lacks, your controlling mind. Give everything to Him and just be free to live your life. Be fearless when it comes to living your life. Where there is fear, there is no trust. And if there is trust, there should not be a fear. Right? So I just wanted to say some thoughts on this topic, because like everyone, my mind also, when it consumes so much stuff from social media, it gets like we are filling the stuff in, and we don't have anything, or we don't have any way to pour it out, or we don't have anyone to say it. But I think this platform is something you can use to pour your heart, to pour your thoughts, or whatever you want to say. I hope you all are having a good week, good days, good minutes, good hours. Enjoy every moment, live in present. It doesn't mean you don't have to plan anything, but just be real that life is so unpredictable, so much. You were planning to start a life in a new place, and you didn't have any idea that you don't have that life anymore, right? So just live a moment, just enjoy the life that God has given, and make other people happy. Don't it's different to please them or make, but spread love. In other words, spread love, and just try to be happy, grateful, and thankful. That's all I wanted to say. I hope you're gonna share your thoughts in the comment box, and I hope you will relate to what I have thought, or what I am thinking right now, or what I have said. I will see you in the next one. Good luck and stay safe.